Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. We are from Group 3 for the subject MGT659 Concept and Application of Strategic Management. Introduce our group members are Siti, Hafizah, Adriana, Batriesya, Zahra, Nurfarrra, Elyana, Putera, Haiqal and Aleya, Natasha. Without further delay, let us begin our presentation with the background of the company.
Hi, hello everyone, I am Adriana.
Hi, I'm Siti
Hi, my name is Adriana.
Hi, my name is Zahra.
Hi, I'm Nurfarrra Elyana.
Hi, my name is Putera Haiqal bin Mohamad.
Now I'll be presenting the background of Julis Manufacturing Sdn Bhd. Julis is a popular biscuit brand from Malaysia, established in 1981 in Alor Gajah, Melaka. Over the years, the company has grown from a small local business into a local brand with its product now exported to more than 80 countries worldwide. In terms of its business profile, Julis produces a wide range of biscuits including sandwich biscuit, crackers, wafer rolls and oat biscuit. One of its most iconic products is the peanut butter sandwich, which is loved by consumers of all ages. Julis also emphasizes quality by using modern manufacturing technology and complying with strict international food safety standards. Moving on to the vision, Julis aims to become a world-class biscuit brand that spreads joy and builds meaningful connection through trusted product. The mission of Julis focuses on producing high-quality and safe biscuit, continuously innovating to meet global standards, building a positive company culture, and contributing to society through sustainable business practice. Overall, Julis' background, vision, and mission reflect the company's strong commitment to quality, trust, and consumer satisfaction, in line with its slogan, "Baked with Love."
The first challenge faced by Julis Manufacturing Sdn Bhd is high production costs. Using high-quality ingredient and safety standard build trust, but it makes the product harder to price competitively, which affect the profit. The second issue is limited distribution and market reach. Julis mainly depends on centralized production and traditional retail store, which increase transportation costs and makes it harder to expand quickly and meet changing market demand. The third issue is packaging durability, especially during long-distance delivery. Weak packaging can cause product breakage, which reduces customer satisfaction and may harm the brand's image. The final issue is slow response to market changes. Julis' decision-making is relatively slow, making it harder to adapt to changing customer preferences in a competitive market. Does that conclude the key issue faced by Julis Manufacturing?
Based on the SWOT analysis, I will briefly highlight the two most important factors in each category and explain the strategies selected from the TOS matrix. Starting with strength, Julis has a strong global brand reputation, being a trusted Malaysian biscuit brand exported to more than 80 countries. This reputation is supported by advanced manufacturing technology, which allow the company to produce high-quality products efficiently and consistently. In terms of weaknesses, Julis faces higher production costs due to its commitment to premium ingredient, which limits its price competitiveness. The company is also highly dependent on traditional retail channel, making it vulnerable to intense shelf competitions and changes in retail trends. For opportunities, the most significant opportunity is the growth of the Asian halal market, supported by regional economic integrations and increasing halal demand. Another key opportunity is tourism, airline, and hospitality partnerships, which can create new sales channels and increase international brand exposure. Moving on to threats, Julis faces intense competition from both local and international biscuit brand, as well as rising production costs due to inflation, which put pressure on profit margin. Based on these factors, Fourth strategy, the SO strategy, focuses on strengthening Asian market penetrations by leveraging Julie's strong halal brand trust. The WO strategy aims to diversify sales channels to tourism and airline partnerships to reduce reliance on traditional retail. The S3 strategy emphasizes cost efficiency by utilizing advanced manufacturing capabilities to manage rising costs. Lastly, the WT strategy focuses on channel diversifications to reduce competitive pressure and long-term risk.
Next, I will continue the presentation of the summary of our Julie's QSPM analysis, focusing on the strategies selected based on the IE metric, followed by the QSPM result and ranking. First of all, based on the IE metric, Julie's is positioned in the hold and maintain quadrant. Therefore, only two strategies are considered appropriate for further evaluation, which are market penetration and product development. Moving on to the QSPM analysis, it was used to compare these two strategies by evaluating external factors as well as internal factors. Each factor was assigned a weight based on its importance, and on ATS, ranging from 0 to 4, was given to show how effectively each strategy responded to that factor. The total attractiveness score was then calculated for comparison. Now, I will explain the result. The first strategy, market penetration, recorded a total ATS of 5.99, which is the highest score among the two strategies. This strategy performed strongly in leveraging Julie's strong global brand reputation, creative marketing capabilities, and its ability to capture high demand during festive season. The second strategy, product development, recorded a slightly lower ATS of 5.89. This strategy is effective in addressing changing consumer preferences, especially in the growing demand for health-conscious products. However, it requires a higher production cost and greater operational flexibility, which may intensify Julie's existing weakness. Based on the QSPM result, first place for the strategy is market penetration, while the second place is product development with a score of 5.89. In conclusion, since Julie in the hold and maintain position, market penetration is the most appropriate strategy, as it allows the company to maximize existing strength, manage risk effectively, and improve performance on its current market. Product development can still be considered as a supporting for long-term strategy.
To conclude our analysis, the Quantitative Strategic Planning Matrix or QSPM has helped us objectively evaluate the most suitable strategy for Julie's manufacturing Sdn Bhd based on both internal and external factors. Based on the IE matrix, Julie's is positioned in the hold and maintain quadrant. This indicates that the company should focus on strengthening its existing market position rather than pursuing aggressive expansion strategies. Therefore, two strategies were evaluated further, which is the first one is market penetration and the second one is product development. From the QSPM results, market penetration achieved the highest total attractiveness score of 5.99, making it the most preferred strategy. This strategy effectively leverages Julie's strong global brand reputation, established customer trust, and strong demand during festive seasons, while also involving lower risk and costs. As a result, it aligns well with Julie's current capabilities and strategic position. Meanwhile, product development scored slightly lower at 5.86. Although it is useful in addressing changing consumer preferences, particularly for healthier products, it requires higher production costs and greater operational flexibility, which may intensify the company's existing weaknesses. In summary, the QSPM clearly shows that market penetration is the most appropriate strategy for Julie's manufacturing Sdn Bhd at this stage. By focusing on increasing sales in existing market through stronger marketing efforts, promotional activities, and improved distribution efficiency, Julie's can enhance its competitiveness and profitability. Product development can still be considered as a supporting or long-term strategy once the company strengthens its current positions. That concludes our strategy analysis and recommendation for Julie's manufacturing Sdn Bhd. That's all from us. Thank you.